Friends, Divya Dawlat here, back again with one more recipe. So this is a traditional recipe known as tamarind marbles or kuttundi in Kannada. I believe in every language they have their own favorite name for this, and by seeing this you will remember your childhood, because as kids we all used to love eating that. More a fashionable name or more a very fancy name for this is nothing but fatafat. So this is like todakatta, meeta, everything. So this is a very tasty stuff. Last week I had made this, and on my status when people saw, they just loved it and they asked me if I can share the recipe. So I thought, chalo, let me make a video because it will be easy for everyone and you can recall your childhood. And this is very easy, and I believe everyone would have done this at one stage or the other when you were kids. We used to do this, whenever in weekly once or once in a while. As kids we used to collect this and hit with a stone, eat this, and it was a childhood fancy. I believe many kids of today they wouldn't even have tried this or tasted this. So chalo, let's make a simple one. So here I go. I'm taking around 150 grams tamarind. I have taken everything approximately. You can plan and do how much quantity you want. I have taken the chili flakes from Domino's. You can use your chili flakes or you can use the red chilies according to your spice level. I just keep very less spice level for this. Rock salt, why? Because rock salt is more better. When you are chewing it, you will get the crystals to your mouth, and that gives a different flavor for your whole jaggery and tamarind. So this is jaggery. Jaggery I'm using say around 3 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon. Hing, and then I have here 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and half a teaspoon pepper seeds. So this I am going to do in the traditional method, and believe me, please do it in that way. This is not a mixy recipe. This is more when you are doing with your mortar and pestle. So here let us start with the recipe. So friends, I have just de-seeded the tamarind and I have removed few strings. There are still some strings in it. It's okay because this much at least will be there. How much you just clean it, and then we can start the process. Here let me say one more thing, friends. This is very good for your digestion. Those who suffer from indigestion, those who have some gas problem, or those who have some bitter taste in the mouth or any sort of thing, this is a very good for the health. And those who are healthy also can eat this just for fun as a change of taste. But it is good for people who are suffering from any disorders with their digestion also, as well as for the people who don't have any issues also. This is a very good recipe. And those who have an issue with indigestion, what you can do is that you can have it one ball or 2 balls of these imli ki goli or tamarind marbles, as I call it as. So you can have this, and it's very good for your health also. So chalo, let's start. So fine, I have put all the ingredients here. I heard some of them add sugar and all, but I wouldn't prefer sugar here because jaggery is more good for health. So this is something a traditional and old recipe. As I told you, all my recipes are just simple or old and traditional. So I prefer using jaggery, but you can use whatever you want. That's up to you. And since I have a very small mortar and pestle, I am using a less quantity. If you have a bigger one, you can make it more nicely. Put all the ingredients and then start. So I've just arranged all like this, and then we will start. So here I go. So at least do this for 5-6 minutes, because till it becomes soft we have to do it. So let me do it and then I'll just get back to you here. So this is tending to become little soft. Just mix it, and then again we will start the process. So now it's finally done. Now I'll start making into tiny marbles. Now you can even store this as a stretch, and then whenever you want you can make marbles and eat that, or you can make some marbles and keep it ready. Now small correction, friends, this actually it is not rock salt. I have used sea salt crystals. So the crystal salt is really good for this. Maybe the ingredients differ from person to person or place to place. So this is what we use. So I'm sharing you my recipe. So I'm just sprinkling little regular salt. Just mix it. This is ready. You can store it in a airtight box. Please don't keep it in the fridge. It will be outside. Say at least for 20 to 30 days it will be intact. Only remember, you should not touch it with water, hands or anything. Water, if it touches, then this will start getting spoiled. So please keep it in a good cleaned box and store it. So those who have an issue with the digestion, those people can eat this 1 or 2 marbles at the night, seeing your condition, while the others can eat at any time. So please try it out, and if you like, share something on your comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, Divya DS and Kushal DS. Bye bye.